In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Yahoo Mail storage. Now to do this, inside Yahoo Mail, you want to go to the top right and click on your profile icon, and then from here you'll see your storage. So for me, I have 15 gigabytes. I'm actually going to click on that, and when you click on it, you can see your available storage, etc. And if you scroll down, you can see you can choose your plan. So right now I am on the free plan, but of course if you want to buy more Yahoo Mail storage, you have a few options. Over here you can switch between yearly and monthly. I'm actually going to keep it at monthly right now. And as you can see, you have the option to add 100 gigabytes in storage. You also have option over here, which you get this Yahoo Plus Mail, where you get 200 gigabytes, and you also get no paid advertisements, so we can upgrade to this. Or you also have this last option, which gives you a whopping 1 terabyte, and you can click on add storage over here, and you'll be able to buy it that way. So let's say I'm going to go to add storage, so I'm going to click on that, and it's going to just pop up a new window where essentially you'll be able to check out, and just like this you'll be able to buy your storage. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.